Hello everyone, today I have a pastel hearts design with glitter and rhinestones. First, I'm going in with a nail cutter and creating the V shape in the form of a short stiletto. Next, I'm taking a medium coarse file and filing the edges to dull some of the sharpness and to also make things even on both sides. Now I'm using a buffer to roughen up the surface to get it prepared for gel application. I'm taking some swipe and getting the dust off. And this process can also be done using a lint-free wipe. Putting on some base gel. And only a thin coat is needed of this. A thick viscosity gel to build the nail. So this gel doesn't really self-level, so it's good for building thickness, but it's a little bit harder to move the gel around. So I basically take the brush and I float the gel to move it to where I need it to go. I'll also be only doing one coat of this gel because I'm working on a practice hand, so I don't really need to build up the nail as I would if I was working on myself. After curing, I wipe the sticky layer off to get prepared to file the nails.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Now I'm going in with my design. I'm going to make pastel hearts. So I'm using a thin liner brush to outline, and then I'm using the brush from the gel bottle to fill in the nail. And then I take some glitter and I pour it on top. And I'll repeat this process for all the nails.
Every day I feel love. I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love. I feel love.
the rhinestones. And I'll also add little beads in between the rhinestones to give it a little bit of contrast. And I'll do this for all the nails. Final step is to add some top coat. Here's the finished look. It's a cute and simple design, and the glitter and the rhinestones add extra sparkle. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.